How to install an LED display with ground support bracket. Materials preparation. Ensure all necessary materials are ready. Installation of the ground support bracket. Set up bottom square 2. Position the bottom square 2 and back support bracket. Connect with screws and tighten securely. Add second square 2. Place the second square 2 and back support bracket. Securely tighten all connections. Installing the first row of display panels. Lay 2 LED display panels on the square 2. Connect with quick locks. Secure the connector plate. Secure the square tube to the panels. Complete the back truss installation. Connect rest of the laid panels. Complete the first row installation. Install second row back supports. Place truss above the first row, secure with screws. Installing the second row of LED display panels. Position an LED panel above the first row. Connect with quick locks. Secure the connector plate. Secure the bracket truss and the panels. Connect rest of the LED panels, connecting each to adjacent ones and back support. Cables connecting. Connect power cables between panels. Connect signal cables between panels. Complete the installation. Enjoy clear, vivid, and smooth visuals from your newly installed LED display setup. Choose professionalism. Choose Top Dance.